Locked out of your Android phone? Maybe you've known the official reset way erases all data on your phone. But there is a way to unlock it without losing data. You've come to the right place. I'll show you the new method step by step. Step 1. Install iMyFone-Your Android and launch it on your PC. Step 2. Choose Remove Screen Lock, Remove Without Data Loss, then click Start. Step 3. Select your device information. Download the data package for your device. Step 4. Connect your phone with a USB cable. Put it into downloading mode. Please check the article link in the description to learn more about downloading mode. Then, wait for the unlocking process. Just in a moment, your phone will be unlocked successfully, and all data is safely kept. If you want to try the tool used in the video, simply check out the description link. Don't forget to subscribe for more Android lock issues, or if you have any problems, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you.